Hello, faculty. Today I'm going to walk you through clearing your cache and cookies for the most common PC browsers. So we'll start with Google Chrome, then go to Microsoft Edge, to Firefox, and finally to Internet Explorer. So to begin, we'll go to a Google Chrome browser. To clear your cache here, what you want to do is first click the three dots in the top right corner. It'll say Customize and Control Google Chrome. Once you click that, you will go down to where it says More Tools. From there, you also click Clear Browsing Data. And it will open up this box right here. So once you are in there, you may want to click over to the Advanced tab. By default, it'll go to the Basic tab. So you can move over to the Advanced tab, and then you select whatever you want to clear out. So you have your browsing history, which is all of the sites you've visited. There's also download history for files that you've downloaded. Then you have your cookies and then your cached images and files. Typically, I don't delete my browsing history because I like to keep a copy of where I've gone. However, if your browser is running really slow, you may find it helpful to delete your browsing history as well. Also, up here in the time range section, you can select how far back you want to go to clear out your browsing data. So again, you can use just the last hour, the last day, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. Again, that's completely up to you depending on how your browser is running. Once you've selected all the items that you want, then you go down here to clear data. You click that. And then once you get back to this screen, that means the process is complete. And then I recommend that you close the browser completely out and then reopen it for a fresh start. Moving on to Microsoft Edge. In Microsoft Edge, there are a couple different ways to clear your browser or get to your clear browser, clear dating history screen. So the first way, three dots, similar to what we saw in Chrome, you click that. Then you go down to Settings at the very bottom. And then you will see a section that says Clear Browsing Data. And underneath, there's a button that says Choose What to Clear. So once you see that, it'll open up your Clear Browsing Data, again, where you can check off what you want to clear in Microsoft Edge. Alternatively, you can click the little hub icon here. It looks like a little star. So if you click Hub, then right here you will see Clear History, and it will take you to that same section. Again, you select what you want to clear out, your download history, anything you want to clear out. Then you go down to the Clear button. You select that, and then you'll receive your all clear message. So once that's done, again, I recommend completely closing out of your browser and then reopening it for a fresh start. Next, we will tackle Firefox. So in Firefox, the first thing you want to do is click your history, your view history icon. Looks like a little stack of books, I guess you could say. You want to click that option, and then you can go down to where it says history. You click that, and then the next option is clear recent history. So you click that, and then you'll have your pop-up menu for your clear history. Again, with the time range, you can select what you want to clear out. Typically, I do everything, and it'll give you the little message if you do everything to tell you that everything will be gone. All selected items will be clear. The action cannot be undone. So again, be careful when selecting these options. And you can choose what to clear out. Again, your browsing history, there's data. So if you want your site preferences gone, anything you've done offline, if you want that gone, you select that. So choose everything you want deleted and then click Clear Now. And once that's cleared out, I didn't have much in it because I don't typically use this browser. But once it's done, again, close out the browser completely and then reopen it for a fresh start. And last but not least, we have Internet Explorer. So in Internet Explorer, what you want to do is go up here to the top right to the gear. It's your tools icon. Looks like a little gear. So we want to select that. Then you go down to Internet Options. Click that, and it will open up this window here. In there, you will see browsing history. So in the browsing history section, click the delete button, and it will open up something similar to what you've seen in the other browsers. By default, this is selected, which just keeps all of your favorite website data intact. But again, if your browser's running really sluggish and you want to give it a good full clean, you can uncheck that so that it clears that information out as well. And then down here, you can clear out your temporary internet files, cookies, again, your history. I don't like to clear my history, but you certainly can. And then your download history, so any files that have been downloaded. So once you select all the things you want to delete, then you go down to the bottom, click the delete key. And again, I didn't have much here, but then you will say it'll get a message that says Internet Explorer has finished deleting the selected browser history. And that's all you need to do. Again, close out your browser completely and open it up for a fresh start. So that covers it. So again, if you've noticed your computer running slow or your web pages are taking too long to load, it may be time to clear out some of that old data. So you can again review these videos or review this PDF document that will show you with the steps I've just covered how to clear them out for the most common PC browsers. All right, thank you so much.